Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. And in today's video, we are going to discuss the precious commodity yellow commodity gold. I'm going to discuss and analyze the gold chart with the important key levels for the gold. If you are planning for the investment in gold, this video is going to be very important. So to know the gold important key levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for the stock market update. So today in quick video I'm going to share the gold chart as gold is falling this time currently because of the geopolitical tension and because the INR is also falling means US dollar is getting यूएस डॉलर इज स्ट्रेंथनिंग तो जैसे जैसे यूएस डॉलर स्ट्रेंथेंड होता है मजबूत होता है गोल्ड का प्राइस ऑफ कोर्स गिरता है दिस इज इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन डोंट इन्फ्लूज ऑल द मनी you can start sip. I will show the levels. Here I am opening this chart and you can see this trend line I have drawn this horizontal line and above this trend line और यहाँ पे जब कोड था इट वॉज एट इट्स ऑल टाइम हाई ऑफ 1,80,000 इवन मोर देन दैट 1,80,780 तो फ्रॉम हियर इट स्टार्टेड falling and went to the level of this which was 26% down and then after that it started to recover also reached to the level of again of 1 lakh 69,880 फ्रॉम 1,80,780 से दोबारा जो इसने हाई लगाया 1,69 तो वी कैन से रफली 1,70,000 देन अगेन वॉर स्टार्टेड और ये पूरा जो यूएस ईरान या यूएस इजराइल ईरान वॉर स्टार्टेड and then again the gold started falling as usual what happens when stock market is not performing gold silver these precious commodity performs they are actually safer investment dollar is strengthening gold has also started falling तो गोल्ड इवन गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर की हालत उससे भी खराब है तो सिल्वर आई विल definitely share in separate video separate chart separate video I will make for silver also please watch that video from here from 1,70,000 it has again fallen to the level of 1,30,000 around which was from all its all time high 1,80,000 I can say 1,80,780 say the lowest level of 1,29,595 means 600 1,29,600 it was almost 28% down from its all time high the gold was down इवन ये थर्सडे की ही बात है मीन्स ट्यूसडे की बात है दिस वीक ट्यूसडे इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट डाउन 28% so 28% crash 28% fall in gold is not like a normal it is very good fall very good correction so people who are planning to invest in gold or are interested in gold that is their decision they can understand these levels which is very important I'm sharing mentioning that 1,30,000 is very crucial support which is long term moving average also you can see this red line 200 EMA which is long term moving average also and it has exactly you can see here you can zoom it out it has touched the same level and exactly from there the big buying has come this is showing the buying a good buying has come in gold and took this gold to the level of 1,40,000 around in the same day from 1,30,000 से 1,40,000 एक ही दिन में पहुंच गया in one day only which was a very good buying happened in gold so this was very good level of 1,30,000 if you already invested in SIP or whatever so that is very good level और वहाँ से अच्छी खासी बाइंग आई है। अगर ये फिर से यहाँ पे आता है, दैट अगेन अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी इन गोल्ड। But from here you can see the next day it was neutral, it was flat, but from there again gap up opening happened और यहाँ से ये अभी भी like flat है. So very very good recovery happened from the level of this long term moving average of 200 EMA और वहाँ से ये अभी it is moving toward that short term moving average of 20 EMA. 20 EMA की ओर ये जा रहा है, where it will definitely face a good resistance of 1 lakh at 1,52,000 around, roughly 1,52,000 I can say. 1,50,000 will be a good resistance for the gold. Here it may take pause, it may reverse to back to the level of this. Maybe I don't know if it is possible, or it may go above this trend line is this level and go to the level of 1,60,000, which is looking the near term resistance for the gold. 1,60,000 I can say. uh, yes, 1,60,000 around. ये वाली जो ट्रेंड लाइन है दैट विल बी अ रेजिस्टेंस. यू हैव टू वॉच दिस ट्रेंड लाइन विच आई हैव ड्रॉन हियर विल बी अ रेजिस्टेंस अगेन. ब्रेकिंग इट, that will be very good news for the gold. But अभी के लिए if we are talking short term to mid term, I can say दो जो सिचुएशन चल रही है, दो यूएस ईरान वॉर चल रहा है, अभी वहाँ से कोई पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ तो नहीं आ रही है. आई विल शेयर ऑल दीज थिंग इन सैटरडे वीडियो, इन निफ्टी बैंक लेवल्स वाले वीडियो में. बट अभी के लिए नॉट वेरी गुड न्यूज़ कमिंग, बट ही कुछ फाइनल न्यूज़ नहीं आई है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट न्यूज़ the market has shown good reversal. Keep in your mind these two level of 150 1,52,000 and then 1 lakh, I can say 60,000 around, और 60,000 या 1,61,000 कह सकते हैं. दिस ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकिंग दिस विल be a good news and it may go to the 1,70,000 again and then 1,80,000 also. बट अभी हम वहाँ की बात नहीं करते. तो वॉल्यूम भी अगर हम देखें तो वॉल्यूम इज ऑल्सो बिकमिंग गुड. एक अच्छी लास्ट 2-3 डेज से अच्छी वॉल्यूम आई है गोल्ड में, विच यू कैन सी हियर. 1,30,000 आई एम फाइंडिंग वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्रूशियल लेवल. इट शुड नॉट ब्रेक इन नियर टर्म एटलीस्ट. अगर कुछ होता है तो आई कैन नॉट से, बट ये लेवल बहुत ही क्रूशियल और बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग है. 1,30,000 का लेवल अगर ब्रेक होता है, आई विल डेफिनेटली अपडेट अबाउट इट. So I'll mention again the important key gold levels. Important support is 1,30,000, where you can start your SIP if you are interested in gold. That is your decision. Otherwise, the 1,52,000 is a good resistance. Here it may take a pause, or if it will break the 1,52,000, it may reach to the level of 1,60,000 to 1,61,000 also. I can say 1,60,000. Breaking 1,60,000 again, it will give a very very good move to the gold. So like and share this video with your friends and others, and subscribe the channel also for stock market update. Signing off.